So I want to try the touchscreen to compare between the Hero 8 and here the Hero 9. I have to get to the on button. So both are on. And then I want to focus a little better here. I think this should be super in focus now. And now we have to go through those screens. The best thing would be to reset the cameras to their standard reset. I do this here on this one first. Preferences. About. Reset here. Reset. Reset camera tips. Factory reset. Factory reset. Boom. And then I'm going to do the same here. So you slide down. Then here in this case you slide over. You tip on preferences and then you go and scroll up. Yeah, this is the reason why I want to make this video. Why does it go in there now? It didn't even touch anything there. Reset. Factory reset. Here, factory reset. Reset. Right. I think that's a power cycle, huh? There we go. GoPro. So this is the same screen, right? So I click here on English. And I click here on English. Legal stuff. You have to agree. Capture location. Okay, on. Now go to the app. Okay, so I don't want this. Oh, yeah, I don't want this. Skip that off. And here, I don't want this. Continue. No. Skip setup. Okay, so they start with different times. So this one is the correct time and date. Okay, so here, go 9, 19, 20. Check mark. Check mark. 8:19 p.m. I don't believe it's 8:19 though. And I wonder where that gets the time from. Yeah. So it's 4:19. That's what it is. PM 4:19. 4:19. I want 24 hours. I want 24 hours there. Accept and accept. Okay, they're both in the same area here. Okay, here we do here. Hyper boost smooth. There. Push again. Push again. Push again. Boost on. Okay. White screen. Touched once. Digital lens. You see how this doesn't take the thing? No, it did. And it didn't show the help screen. Super view. Super view. It goes down 1, 2, 3, 4 narrow, and it has this leveling one here. Here on this one, you see this works smooth, right? Linear, right. So we go to linear 19 to 39. Then here, linear 19 to 39. works. Click here, click there. Okay, so now we're gonna try this. Here I touch. I had to touch twice, right? Touch here. Here it has the help stuff. This thing does not. Okay, standard. Go to slow motion 240 right. See what this did here? It gets out of whack. Look at this. It is not what I want. I click on here and I want to swipe up. I want to get the same slow-mo setting. There. See, I clicked on it. And I can't go there. Look. There I am. Alright, so this was 6-minute video so far. I can go on and on and on and on. That's the problem here with this touch. This is the same finger I used. Clean fingers. And yeah, that's how the touchscreen doesn't work right.